Hi folks, this is James, the official mayor of Cowboy Country. We are here in beautiful College Station. I never knew that the band has their own practice field. That's really cool. We're actually here to go check on the construction for their indoor practice facility, so we got to go over yonder. So here's Kyle Field. I've never seen this before. They have like military vehicles. Let me take my sunglasses off. That's really cool. I think the construction I'm looking for is over yonder. Yeah, she's a big one. But what we want's around the corner there. I remember this part. See, that's one of the things that I liked. All the little touches that they do at Kyle Field, like over there where the trying to see like the A&M logos and stuff. That looks really good. And then here's your weight room. Hate to say it, but I'm not exactly in a hurry to get to Houston. If I get there late, oh well. Yeah, they got a lot of construction going on here. That's huge. Look, there's a lot of people around the construction site, so that's about as much as I could get. In a couple months, I'll come down here and I'm trying to not get the sun in the shot, but the sun is directly behind me. Anyway, here. So overall, it was pretty good. It's a huge building, what they're working on, so it's going to look good. I don't know where the actual indoor practice facility is, but I can see the old one. But anyway, if you're new, please hit like and subscribe. Like I said, in a couple months, we'll do a follow-up, and I'll try to come on Saturday, so it's not as crazy. So anyway, I'm headed to Houston for the basketball game, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to support them no matter what, but I'm not very optimistic. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. And as always, go Pokes.